Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to erase backgrounds in Photoshop. First, open your desired image in Photoshop. Then, locate the Properties panel, usually on the right side of your workspace. Within this panel, you'll find a convenient Remove Background button. Clicking this will instantly analyze your image and attempt to isolate the subject, providing a quick and often accurate background removal with just one click. After the initial removal, Photoshop creates a layer mask. This mask is key for refining your selection. Select the Layer Mask thumbnail in the Layers panel. Use the Brush tool. Painting with black will hide parts of your image, effectively erasing more background, while painting with white will reveal areas you might have accidentally removed. Adjust your brush's hardness and size for precise control around edges. For more challenging images or intricate details, you might need to use additional selection tools. The Object Selection tool is excellent for automatically detecting distinct objects. Alternatively, the Quick Selection tool allows for intuitive painting over areas to select them. Once a selection is made, enter the Select and Mask workspace to fine-tune edges, adjusting parameters like feathering for softer transitions or shifting the edge inward or outward by a few pixels for accuracy. Once you're satisfied with your background removal, it's time to save your work. Make sure the checkerboard pattern, indicating transparency, is visible behind your subject. Navigate to File, then select Save As. To preserve the transparency, it's crucial to choose PNG as your file format from the drop-down menu. Give your file a descriptive name, select your preferred saving location, and then click Save to finalize your transparent image.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.